In the previous classes, I explained grammar on the topic is present perfect and present perfect continuous. Those are already completed, and now I am going to explain you about the past continuous. Before that, I have to remind you a bit of simple past, because these two are correlation with each other. These two are some correlation. So first let me say, see the blackboard. This is past tense actually. Past is having four types, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So already I completed simple past previously. So this I want to remind you, simple past means already the formula is subject plus V1 plus object. So for example, if I want to say I worked means నేను పని చేశాను అని. It's already completed the previously. So I worked. So for if you look this arrow mark, suppose if you started some work at 9 a.m. If you start any work at 9 a.m. and you have completed work by 5 p.m. So you started your work at 9 a.m. and you completed work by 5 p.m. So this is the duration of past tense, Okay, and this is now suppose 8 p.m. If you want to remind a work, past work, you can say I started my work at 9 a.m. and I finished my work at 5 p.m. So see here, the structure or formula of the past continuous tense is subject plus was or verb plus V1 plus ing form plus object. See here, was or verb for already these are for singulars and these are for plurals. Singulars means like you can say he, she, it. This is for only was, and remaining already and I also here, you, we, they. For these three you can use verb in this tense. For these four you can use only was. Okay, come to the examples. Now this tense actually, the past tense is actually happened at specific time. If you work something, it happened at specific time of point, and the continuous tense is continued during the period. It continued during the period, right? So you can also, already told you, past continuous tense you cannot call as a past progressive tense. You can say past continuous or past progressive, both are same. See examples. This is positive one. I told you positive means not is in the sentence, not is not there in the sentence, and negative means if you add not to the sentence it becomes a negative one. So for example, for positive one, I was working and he was working, she was working, it was working. And see here, there is change. You were working, we were working, and they were working. See, I told you already, for I, he, she, you can use only was as they are singulars, and for you, we, they, you can use were there as they are plurals. Okay, once again, I was working, this is subject, this is B form, or you can say helping verb. I was working, this is a V1 plus ing form. So I was working, he was working, she was working, it was working. It was here means maybe it may be a computer or a dog, you can say. So it was working, you were working, we were working, they were working. So if you go to negative forms, you can say, because I told you after V1 form or after B form or was or were, and before the V1 plus ing form you can add not in the sentence. See here, I was working, but here I was not working. Here I was working means నేను పని చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మనకి నేను పని చేయటం లేదు. I was not working. Okay, and he was not working, she was not working, it was not working, you were not working. See, already told you, since they are plurals you can use were as a B form or helping verb. And we were working, we are not working, they were not working. These are negative forms. Once again, I was not working, he was not working, she was not working, it was not working, you were not working, we were not working, they were not working. These are the negative forms in the present continuous, past continuous tense, right? And if you want to question somebody or something about, you can use this format. For example, see, this was actually I was not working, this was I was working. The question form is was I working? So I just shifted B form to subject like and I shifted I to the was form. So was I working అంటే నేను పని చేస్తున్నానా, అలాగే was he working, question mark must definitely గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. At the end of sentence you must put question mark, otherwise it won't call as a question. If you put a question mark in the sentence, it will be called a question tag, or you can call also interrogative. So was he working, and also was she working, was it working, were you working? Because why I wrote here were means these are plurals. So were you working, were we working, and were they working? These are the question tags. Please remember all this structure, please. If you perfect in a structure, you will definitely make a number of sentences by using this formula or the structure. So using or knowing formula is a must. If you know perfectly about this structure, you can use a number of sentences on your own, and you can make own number of sentences. So if you have sufficient time at your home, please at least spend a half an hour for every day, so that you can write number of sentences by using this formula and these examples you can write. Okay, and I will tomorrow I will explain you the past perfect tense. This is past continuous, and one more tense is there, past perfect continuous, past perfect tense. And day after tomorrow I will explain you the past perfect continuous tense. So this is the past continuous tense, and you have to remember these formula sentences. You can write number of sentences at your home. If you prepare own sentence or your own sentence, please send me through your WhatsApp. You know already my number. My number is 8985338197. Right? If you prepare sentences, you can send me through your WhatsApp to my WhatsApp, and I will correct your answers. If they are right or wrong, no problem, I will correct you. Okay, thank you, and goodbye to everyone. Be careful at your home. Right.